Now, you know about the crop tool because we've used it several times, but there's also an image crop command. And if I wanted to crop this image, I would, of course, pull it out onto its own layer so I wouldn't destroy all my other work. And then I would want to crop out, let's just say I want to crop out a fixed size 1080 by 1080, and that's exactly where I want it. Let's just pretend that's right. Now, wouldn't it be nice to have a keyboard shortcut? So I'm going to pull up the keyboard shortcuts, go into Image, and scroll down to Crop. And then Control Option Command C for crop. Go ahead and accept that, save it, replace it, and boom, hit return, and we're ready to roll. Now, if I hit Control Option Command C, it crops immediately to the size I want, and life is good.